Here is a 10 plus Grand Bend, Ontario value buy that is veritably exploding with premium features that you'll pretty much never see in this price range, still located right in town. This will be the only spot that fits that bill this season and maybe for years to come, as locations like this on the lake side of the highway in the Dalton subdivision, which backs right onto Pinery Park paths leading to the river and beaches, well, they don't come along too often these days. You want massive yards like this with tons of space and privacy surrounded by old growth trees, including almost half an acre surrounded by a 6-foot solid wooden fence as shown here, all sitting on a double lot, nearly an acre by the way, on the southern edge of town by the flea market, not 15 or 20 kilometers away. But the best part is this house, a house in this price range in Grand Bend that doesn't need all sorts of work because it's all been done by professionals. An addition adding a foyer, laundry room, and storage area, new kitchen, new bathrooms, insulation, roof, a second new garage. This open concept stone and brick home with soaring cedar ceilings and beams, showcasing one of the largest natural stone fireplaces in town, it blows away the competition. Stick around and you'll see once we head inside. I've only rattled off but a few of the many qualities on a very long hit list. I know this because this is my own house, which will be missed very much, but my family had an opportunity up the road that we couldn't turn down, so we're moving on. And as a licensed realtor selling my own family's home, you better believe I've priced this property to move quickly. When you're selling your own house, you gotta get it done or something doesn't look right. So, just look at this stuff. So much to offer in this price range. Not one garage, but two, next to secured boat parking. We'll get back to that side of the property in a minute. First, let's check out this 2,600 square foot raised bungalow with 3 huge bedrooms and space for a 4th bedroom, ask me about that, plus 2 extra large full bathrooms and vast principal spaces throughout. After passing through the sizable foyer addition, you'll see that fireplace I was talking about, taking up almost the entire width of a 22-foot wide great room. You'll see even more masonry work inside the home below even more cedar and pine ceilings, including brick feature walls in the kitchen and bedrooms. I'm going to step away for a minute and give you a chance to check out the rest of this stellar home. Pay attention to the notes in the video and you'll see how we ended up spending $100K on this over the past 5 years. I'm going to jump back in here to finish the full tour with you. As the interior tour wraps up, think about the replacement cost of a stone and brick home loaded with such features. You wouldn't be able to do it for anywhere near what I'm asking, and that's without the value of this double lot property in a subdivision where the last single lot just sold for $140,000. Again though, if I'm telling my clients to price their real estate to sell quickly, I need to demonstrate the same mentality when selling my own home. Yeah, I'm priced a bit below market value, so I can get this thing done and focus on my clients' listings. But where else can you get features like this right in town? Check out this secured and gated trailer or boat parking right on site. I have 3 trailers back here, and my wife never even has to look at them. I could never have these 2 garages plus all the extra parking if I didn't have this bonus space with the second lot. Just look at this gas-heated shop, fully insulated, 700 square feet, 18 by 8 foot door, loads of room for 2 cars, and you still have a shop behind them. Just keep watching, it's pretty cool. And by the way, that's a steel cabinet commercial workbench from Fanshawe College across the back of my shop, with other large commercial cabinetry integrated in there as well. It's pretty well done. And then I have another 240 square foot steel garage on concrete for all the dirty stuff. Heck, even the kids have their own garage space underneath the addition. You can see a photo of this posted with the listing. My point is, this property just doesn't stop, and I haven't even gotten to the best part yet. When I say that my subdivision backs onto the Pinery Park, I'm not talking like a couple kilometers away. I'm literally in the Pinery within 200 meters from my door at the Old DeSable River, within a few minutes on my bike, at the beach, not that much longer. It's awesome. Why don't I just show you? Let's take a quick bike tour to the river, catch some fish. Well, maybe not in the video, but that's where I catch fish with the kids. And then we'll head to the beach for a sunset. The Pinery Park is literally my backyard. And for this, I'm really going to miss this property dearly. So, enjoy the ride, and I'll see you in a minute or so to wrap up. As I'm cruising along here, by the way, I've obviously sped the video up quite a bit. I'm not trying to pull a Lance Armstrong. I really didn't hustle down that quickly. I stopped to show the bathrooms and stuff like that. My typical ride to the beach is about 10 minutes. Keep in mind, once you get into the groomed trails of the Pinery, you're not really to ride your bike on those trails. That's why I stuck to the road, which is taking me a little out of my way. When I walk, I have made it in a half an hour, but it's I don't know, it's a really good experience just going through the woods like this, though. It's just awesome. And there you go, folks. A property and home with so much to offer in Grand Bend that people will be saying I'm nuts selling in this price range. Well, maybe that's my strategy. So if you don't want to end up in a bidding war, just call me today for a private tour. I am not holding on offers. First come, first serve. I don't like bidding wars. They're too much work for realtors. And if you actually watch this epic video all the way to the end, tell me that too, and I'll have a Tim's card and a gift package waiting for you at your first showing. I'm Mike Sloan, and I'll see you at my house.